Hello friends, welcome to our channel Mechanical Motivator. In this video, we're going to see job opportunities for EEE graduates, ECE graduates and E&I and ICE graduates. So all these people can make use of this video. It's a wonderful opportunity to work under Railway Recruitment Board. So right now they have released an advertisement and it will be a direct walk-in interview. So let us go into the video. So, Railway Recruitment Board, that is Kongan Railway Corporation Limited, have released a notification just now. So, you can make use of this video and can apply for this job. So, I will be giving the link in the description. So, once you click on the link, you will be directed to this page. If not, also if you type Kongan Railway Corporation Limited and if you go to their official website, you can apply for this job. So if you scroll down means you can see various parameters like PNR, inquiry, seat availability, and at the rightmost corner you can see three dots. So once you click on the three dots, you will be getting like home, about us, departments, etc. There you can see an option called recruitment. Okay, you can see an option for recruitment. So you have to click on the recruitment. So once you click, you can see current notification and status of all notification, etc. Out of it, you have to click current notification. You have to choose current notifications. So once you choose means you can see this. So it's a walk-in interview and link is provided. So once you click the link, a PDF will be open, and once you download and if you read thoroughly the whatever details they have given, you can apply for this job. So let us go. Just download this PDF and start reading what they have said. And it's Kongan Railway Corporation Limited. They have released a notification and who and all can apply and how many posts. Let us see. So the name of the post is Junior Technical Assistant Signal and Telecommunication. So they will be giving a salary of 30,000 per month and totally 18 vacancies are available. So below they have provided a format. You have to fill that format and take all the necessary documents along with you during your walk-in interview. So who and all can apply, and you have to go for the interview. Date is provided as 13/12/2021 and 14/12/2021. And for general category, for SC, ST and OBC, the date is this. For general category, 15/12/2021 to 17/12/2021. So those who completed their full-time engineering degree, BE or BTech in electronics, electrical and electronics, electronics and telecommunication, communication, instrumentation with not less than 60% of mark, and your college should be approved by AICTE. Next thing is below that they have given a format for walk-in interview. So you have to fill everything, whatever details they are asking, just fill it up. And how can we apply? So candidates who want to apply for this job can go to the KRCL website, and there you can, as I said in before, you have to go to recruitment, current notification, and you have to click on the notification, and candidates can directly walk in interview. And when you are going, you have to take certain documents along with you. So let us see what are the documents you have to take. And address they also gave us Belapur. It's nothing but Navi Mumbai, and they clearly said that no train or bus fare will be provided. So no TADA will be provided to you. So you have to take, you have to make everything on your own. And this is the format, and you have to go for an walk-in interview on general category. This is the date for SC, ST and OBC. You just make sure that. And the job title is Junior Technical Assistant. And what time you have to go is, they clearly gave that the time is morning 9 a.m. to afternoon 1 p.m. So morning 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. You should be there during your date of walk-in interview. And these are the documents which you need to take along with you: self-attested copy, that is certificate of your proof of your qualification, and date of birth, self-attested copy, and caste certificate, and two recent passport size photograph, and methodology of percentage calculation, how you calculated a percentage. And the general information will be candidates who fulfill the criteria will be interviewed, and candidates are advised to check their eligibility before coming to walk-in interview, that is branch wise or stream wise mentioned in notification, and be clear to it. And next thing is, these are general information. You just have a glance of it and follow whatever instruction they are giving. You read full PDF, and this is the selection procedure. So after your interview, the decision panel is the final one. So only those candidates whom they nominate will be selected for final posting, and you have to be clear with it. And other terms and condition, you just make sure of it. and do subscribe our channel Mechanical Motivator. Then only you will be receiving all the videos which we upload. And do stay tuned with our channel. We will be bringing all job opportunities to your doorstep. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.